Hello, everybody. It's Friday. Welcome to the Produce Moms Live Facebook. It's season 1, episode 4, and I'm Candace. If you can hear us, let me know. Show me some love. Let me know who's here. Give me some hearts. Perfect. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate that. Well, welcome. Today, we are going to be making an easy recipe. It's sauteed shrimp with onions and peppers, and I'm going to show you how to chop up an onion. An easy, quick way to do that. Before we get started, I want to let you know of a couple of things. We've got an Amazon giveaway today of a bamboo cutting set. So make sure you enter the word sweet into the comments to be entered to win. And I'll be taking questions and comments at the end of this broadcast. So if you have something, let us know. I'd love to answer it and help you out. So how about we get started? I've got a hot pan going right now. I'm going to warm up some oil. All right. Oh yeah, that pan is good and hot. I've got onions that I've already chopped, and I've got green peppers cut into strips. So I'm going to add in my onion first. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Then I'm going to add in my green pepper. It's one large green pepper cut into strips. We want to cook this down until it gets translucent. You guys, this aroma is amazing. It smells so good already. This green pepper is beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so we're going to let this cook down. Let it cook down about 5 to 7 minutes until it gets translucent and the